Subscribers are increasingly asking how to make money trading on Pocket Option. I'll show you how to trade using my Telegram channel and how to earn using the analysis from our group. We go to Pocket Option and choose between the regular market and OTC. Then we select a currency pair. We set the trade time to 1 minute and select our bid amount. We open a trade for buy or sell. In this case, buy. To make sure you don't miss important trading tips and signals, subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. The trade closed in profit. We place a bid equal to the previous win or simply double it. And once again, profit. If you're interested, the link is in the description. You can try it yourself when you're ready. Remember, this is not financial advice. Trading always involves risk.